Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the primary tab after starting the app on the Flashscore application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the Other section, and here you can find the second option, the primary tab after starting the app. And here you can select the All Games, Live, Favorites, News or the Standings button. And here just select, for example, the news and just click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.